Hey guys, I just got this 3-piece haunted house that costs $10. And it comes with a popcorn stand and this witch thing, and I'm unboxing it now. Let's get started. Okay, I got it. Alright, the first piece that I took out was this witch. Again, it's just a little small girl dressed up as a witch going trick-or-treating or going to like a festival or festa, something that has to do with Halloween, you know. This is the back of it. This was $9.99. Again, use your coupons for any purchases from Michael's that have to do with SpookyTown because they are expensive. So these are new. This is the popcornist, the one that's getting the popcorn and giving it to the girl, basically. He does the popcorn. Eat the chocolate. I'm almost done. And this is the popcorn machine. It's so detailed. The popcorn doesn't look like popcorn, but it's detailed. Like, look at that machine inside. It looks so detailed. This is the side. This is the back. And this is the other side. And that's the side. That's it. That's the underneath. That's the top. So, yeah. Alright guys, thanks for watching and have a great day. Say bye. Say a little louder. Say bye.